Hello beautiful, welcome to my channel. It's Abiola. Today I've got for you this Love Me Hair, a review on the headband wig. If this is your first time, welcome. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss out when I post new videos, and give me a like so I know you like this sort of content. Alright, so to start off, you want to wash your headband wig. It's so important to wash your headband wig because you just don't know where it's been. So get you a nice moisturizing shampoo or whatever you've got at home. I wouldn't like go out and buy something just to wash your hair. Whatever you have at home, just use that. Make sure your hair is wet. You can do this at the sink. I was recorded and it was just best for me to do it how I am in the basin. But usually I'll do it in a sink. So do it in a sink or in a bathtub, and then just using your fingers, you're working the shampoo through. This is how much hair you will, the hair will shed. It's expected. It's curly hair, it will shed. Go in with some conditioner. In case you're wondering why I have a massive tub of conditioner, I do lots of these like washing of hair extensions. So it's just easier to get one of those. Brush out the tangles with whatever brush you have. This one actually worked really well. And at the end of it, this hair will be feeling super soft and detangled. So the next step is you want to treat this. This is like virgin hair. It's 20 inches. You want to treat it really well. So I am going to go and follow up. I have washed it. I have conditioned it. So now I am going to kind of put some moisture in the hair. So I'll be using some leave-in conditioner from Shea Moisture. You want your headband wig to look like, you want the curls to just look really nice and pop in, if I may use the word pop in. I don't like those uniform curls that come with it when you first get your wig. So I like to disturb the curl pattern, and I do that by brushing it all the way out. So when you do that, you're going to disturb that formed curl pattern that you had initially straight out the box, and it gives it a really natural look. So you want your headband wig to look as natural as possible because it's a headband wig. It's supposed to look like your hair, right? So put your leave-in conditioner, cream or styler, and then follow up with some mousse. You can just use a mousse if you wanted to as well. That would work. And then I'm just gonna brush it because I don't want any tangles and I want it to be nice and smooth as well. Look at that. All right, so next, put your hair in some sort of, cornrows or something. If you can't do cornrows, you can do large twists or single large braids. Just have your hair down and you should be good. This is big hair, so it doesn't have to be perfect. I am sweeping my edges with some Murray's because that was what I had. I ran out of some edge control, so I'm using Murray's. Murray's just helps me lay down. It's like a wax, so it lets me lay down hair or edges. And then I follow up with some Got2b, which is a thinner consistency, but that gives me really good hold. And then when I am done with that, I'm going to put a scarf on it just to really secure what I have done with my edges. What else is inside the box? Well, we've got these headbands and little notes and enjoy your hair. Oh, look at this. Oh, it's so cute. All right, so they've actually got for you in here. Look, so you don't need to go get this if you don't have one. They send you this. Oh my goodness. They send you this. Some hair clips. And some tweezers. Okay, love me hair. I am loving. I'm actually loving this. I've gotten a few packages, so this has definitely been the look. They've got you your silky edger thing. I didn't need it because I had my own. I didn't even know this was in there. So this is really nice. Yeah, they did quite well. They did really well with this. Yes, I love this little case as well. Okay, I see you. Love me hair, I see you. You guys did well. And also, that's not all. You've got your head, you've got this wig cap as well. Wig cap. Okay, one. What? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, nice, right? Well, yeah, 5. You got 5. Okay, I'm actually really excited. This is really nice. Okay, and they're really nice and thick as well, so it's not like a flimsy material. The sewing looks quite nice. I am super excited to get into this, and I'm loving that. Like 1, 2, 3 would definitely go what I'm wearing. Actually, all of them actually I think would go what I'm wearing. What do you guys think? It's got 1, 2, 3 combs at the top, and you've got 1 at the back. Okay, what do you think? What do you think? What do you think? Let me know in the comments what you think of it right now as is. I'm gonna turn around so you see the back as well. Okay, so it just straps at the back right there nicely. Oh, okay. Old school. Okay, so let's get into what I really think about LUVME Hair. They reached out to me. This is my first time kind of even finding out about them, but they've got a really good strong brand presence on Instagram. If you want to check them out, you can check them out. I'll leave their links in the description down below. The hair quality was great. When I was brushing out, it is curly hair, so you will experience some sort of shedding. I think that's just normal, natural. Any curly hair that I have personally used, I have seen some shedding, so it wasn't like excessive where I would be worried. It was fine. So it feels really nice. I washed it and I conditioned it. And I put some creams in it, and the hair just feels really nice and really soft, like really soft. And you guys saw the difference. Like it looks so natural. Like you need to go through that process of kind of just brushing out those curls so it just comes out looking like amazingly natural. And what they sent, you guys, that was just mind-blowing for me. I thought the packaging was excellent. I thought the quality of the things that they sent as well was really good. It wasn't just they just stuff something and send something and yeah, they'll be all right. You know, you've got that the little bag, it's got the comb. It's a great starter kit, like a beginner friendly wig. If you've never done a wig before, this is the kind of wig you want to start off with. You know, first of all, it's a hairband wig. Anyone can wear it, whether you've got long hair, short hair, no hair, you can wear a hairband wig. They sent 5 hairbands as well. Good quality headbands as well. You've got the brush to slick your edges. You've got the edge silk scarf. You've got hairpins if you need it. You've got an elastic band there if you need it. I thought they did a really good job sending you what you need. It's got information on how to care for the hair as well. So honestly, LUVME Hair, you did really well. If I was to give you a grade, a rating, I would definitely say like, I don't want to say 5 out of 5, but I'll probably say 5 out of 5 because yeah, I'm impressed. I'm not gonna lie. I thought it was. I'm impressed. Like yeah, I was impressed with it. So anyways, I've got all the details in the description down below. So if you want to grab yourself one of these, check in the description box. I'll have everything there, and I've got a discount code as well. Yes, I've got a discount code for you. So yes, check it out in the description. I think that's it from me. I've got nothing else to add. If you've got any questions on something I forgot to mention, let me know in the comments. I will be sure to answer it. And I love to hear from you guys. But before you rush off, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you don't miss out when I post new videos. Give me a like to let me know you like the sort of content, to let YouTube know as well that you like this sort of content so you can see more of it. And don't rush off. Grab yourself a cup of tea, a coffee, some whatever it is that you want to sip on. Sit down, relax, and binge a little on my channel. I've got some more videos coming up for you. Alright, till my next one. Bye.